Hello. Today we have a pretty massive sounding here. So down here we have wheel locks, and then there are two Siemens devices right there in the Gentex Commander 3. This is the system sensor row, and so these two rows are running on the fire shield panel. These two rows right here, which are like 1403s, and then this stuff is running on the MS10UD, and then this top row is running on the it's just running on an adapter. So in a minute here we will set this off. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Had a bit of trouble there shutting that off. They tried to run away. The 7002 Ts all tried to run away. That's pretty funny. Well, that was really, really loud. And yeah. So thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.